I'm Lakshman Boleti, founder of Animals Water Bowl Project India. I'm a social ideator. Animals Water Bowl Project India is a project which we started with a vision to create a platform where every street animal should get safe drinking water round the clock throughout the year. And also, we want to connect humans with animals through our continuous education program. Actually, I'm part of adoption campaigns and animal rescues. I've seen a couple of instances. These animals are quenching the thirst from the dirty places, where the water is not at all good. So it's a couple of instances really touch me. And in the name of development, constructions, a lot of constructions are happening. We're also doing a lot of deforestation. So thereby, these animals their habitats are badly disturbed because of humans. So always I felt like, since we are responsible for their destruction, so it is human responsibility to give it back by living with them together. So in the process, this couple of instances, like, when they are having the water from the dirty places, sometimes they never used to get a safe water. So because of that, the animals are dehydrated. It could be anything, not necessarily a dog or a bird. Any animal if you take. So they're all suffering from lack of water, and these animals are badly affected with a lot of infections and leading to a virus and other infections, and thereby it's not only threatening to their life, it's also threatening to human welfare. So what is happening in today's trend is we are completely ignoring them, and we are feeling like their existence is useless to the human race. But frankly speaking, like humans, even animals got every right to live on this planet. So it is, and when we disturb their cycle, when we distracted or destroyed their habitats, it's our responsibility to give back, to see a very good society or community around. So these are the few things always made me to as an engineer. I'm a BTech graduate. Later I worked with software companies for some time, and always felt like, what is my purpose of my life. I've done engineering, and so there is expectations from the society. So this something made me to come up with a project, like thought of we need to start a project which creates a good impact. So initially I thought like I need to start a project with respect to humans, like any other organizations we see, orphanages or blind school organizations or old age. But later, when I am actually, as part of my career, when I'm moved across different locations, then I've seen the challenges animals facing are really in a very bad state, and the kind of hospitals or the kind of support they're getting is very, very, very minimal. So I felt like this is something interesting and the challenging. I should focus here rather than human welfare, because for human welfare there are many organizations, there are many subsidies government is providing, many NGOs to support. At the same time, they also can speak and get the things what they want, but animals cannot do that. These things are made me need to start a project related to animals. So then the next question is, which project? So I don't want to make a duplicate. If someone already started a project, there is no point in starting the same project with us which address the same challenges. So in the process, I looked at a challenge that water is, like humans, even animals need a water, because water is something helps them to clean their blood vessels, helps them to digest whatever they consume, at the same time to make them hydrated always. At the same time, the aqua animals also get the safe oxygen with this fresh water. So these are few things made me, I think this is something interesting to address. This challenge where animals can get safe water all the time, round the clock throughout the year. That's how Animal Water Bowl Project came into picture. So we work year round, not just summer. Anytime people can reach us, we provide water bowls free of cost. We don't charge anything. Whoever takes the water bowl from us, they have to keep these bowls in front of their houses or the colony, wherever they can monitor. At the same time, they have to keep the fresh water every day. They have to clean these bowls every day, every week once. At the same time, they have to send the pictures and video clips with us every 15 days so that These pictures and video clips we are going to feature on our socials, which are shared across many groups to inspire the other people across the globe. Because again, our vision also very much clear. We don't give the water to animals. We sensitize the people around and we make them responsible towards the community. It's not a one-man show. It is not. It's very difficult. AWBP is a very small team, so we cannot cover all the spaces. So we decided that we need to sensitize and we need to involve the citizens into this program and make them responsible, and thereby we can resolve the issue whatever we are going through. When you ignore a human, they convert into a thief. They transform into a Naxalite, or they transform into some other negative element to the society. So in the same way, animals also, when you start ignoring them, they don't get the food, they always try to be aggressive, or they try to grab food. To grab the food, they enter into the societies, whatever they, just to fill their stomach in this case. There is the necessity of education program which should happen continuously, not like a yearly once or a monthly once. So we thought we should also, along with free water bowl distribution, we also want to do this continuous education program, sensitizing the people around. So that's the reason what we do is, as part of continuous education program, we do make short films, we do write articles around with a lot of facts, and we don't come up with any kind of assumptions in our content. We take these films to different level of people like schools, colleges, corporates, and also public places to sensitize the people. Education is very important. We started this project in the year 2017, and we started our water bowl distribution like 100 number, and now it's last 3 years we distributed close to 3,500 bowls. At the same time, we conducted 70 events. We did events across Telangana, Chandigarh, Pune and Thane. The whole idea of this project is we want to happen India-wide and later global project. So we are also doing our best, and this year 2020 in the month of February, we legalized AWBP Animal Water Bowl Project as a trust, which means that I'm indirectly addressing the environment and also humans along with the animals. So what is good thing happened to me is, first of all, personally my health is very good compared to what I am before, and the other thing is the thought process, the attitude, the behavior, and a lot of things changed in a very positive way when I transformed from the non-vegetarian to vegan. When I started this project in the year 2017, I'm the one person initiated this, and later people came across this project and they liked it, and people started taking the bowls from us, and so a lot of things happened in the last 3 years, and frankly the credit goes to the team and the volunteers. The volunteers are backbone for this project, and we have different ways to contribute in this project. You can be a content writer, you can be an artist, you can be a musician, singer, and many other options are there in the project. So we always welcome and look for the volunteers who are really passionate to do something for the social welfare, and you're welcome. And the project website is awbpindia.org, and on the website we have a contact form and the volunteer page. You can very well visit and you can see all the information. So far we have 25 volunteers across the globe, and who contribute a lot of things in terms of writing articles, in terms of artistic works, and also other things like photography and the videography. So yeah, in AWBP Trust, if you like to volunteer with us, you just need to give 5 hours per week, and that's a small time you need to give to us, and it's very easy. And also we don't forcefully fit you into any particular requirement. We ask you to take what you like most, because our volunteer happiness is very important. When they are happy, they can do best in the project. So it's just 5 hours per week, and please visit our volunteer page on the website awbpindia.org, and you can very well reach us, and we will share more details after that. And also I request everyone that we from childhood, we always hear from our parents or our relatives that we should be a software engineer or a doctor, you have to become after some time, or some other scientist. But there's something important, a designation which I came across lately, that's called social entrepreneurship. I request people also should focus on social entrepreneurship side, where we don't focus on money alone, we also focus mainly on the challenge what we are addressing. When you address a challenge properly, it could be anything in the society, automatically you get what you want. It could be a money is a small part, but never ever, I don't recommend people to start any venture in the name of in the focus of money.